Welcome to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to show you guys how I'm cleaning out the spots where your detergent and your fabric softener and stuff goes in your washing machine. If you have a Samsung washer and you want to know how to pull these out, I'll link a video up here for you guys to go check out how I pull these out. It's really simple, but now I'm going to show you guys how I clean them. You can see right here I just ran my finger across. I haven't washed these probably in 2 or 3 years. All I'm going to use is actually just a washcloth, some Dawn dish soap, regular old sink water, and we're just going to go ahead and scrub. And a lot of people don't want to hear that you just have to put a little bit of elbow grease into it. That's what I am going to do. So I'm going to take my little pieces here and just dump out all the water that's stuck in these. I'm going to take my wet washcloth and just kind of get in it. Yeah, that's really gross. I'm just going to rinse out my washcloth as needed, add my Dawn dish soap as needed, and just kind of keep going until I get all of this off. If you wanted to use a sponge, you definitely could. I've learned in my experience a washcloth just works better because it gets really up in these nooks and crannies a lot better than a sponge does. It's just easier to wrap around your finger and really get in those areas you really need to get in. So I just recommend a washcloth. It's up to you. If you want to wear gloves, go for it. You definitely can. Rinse it out, and I'm going to do the exact same thing with these other pieces because they're really nasty, but that's pretty much all there is to it. I have opted to bring in this old cleaning toothbrush to really get in some of these tighter spots where there's definitely a lot of mildew built up, and then also to kind of come along these ridge lines here and really get in there. If I need to, I might spot some of these with a little bit of bleach on the bristles of my toothbrush just to make sure I get everything, because it looks like there might be some spots of mold growing in, which is why it's so important to wash these out, because this is what's washing your clothes, your bedding, your towels, and not a lot of people think to maintain things like this, and this can often be a reason why your washer stinks. You can wash the drum, you can wash your seal, but this is kind of the hidden stuff that not a lot of people think to clean, think to maintain, or even know how to do. So that's why I really like making these videos, to help any situation like that, because I didn't know either, and some lessons you have to learn the hard way, and I'd rather you not have to learn it the hard way. So just maintain little things like this and it'll help your washer last a lot longer too. While everything is out, I'm also just going to take this and kind of wipe out the spot where I'm going to reinsert everything, getting everything out. If I need to, I'll bring my toothbrush back and get in some of these areas here. To put it back in, it's really easy. You actually just put it right back in. It's pretty simple. You don't have to push on anything or anything like that. You just put it back in. These just set back into place. You just cleaned out your washer really simply and you're good to go.